So what? We are mothers. Must we degenerate into storefront dummies with broken arms, trade our lacy thongs for long johns or silk nighties for box tees stained in veggie puree? So what? We are mothers. Must we pawn our high-waist skirts for beige frocks, camouflage ourselves into a cupboard of missing socks? So what? We are mothers. Shall we spend the next 12 years nagging and screaming at kids and men, drowning our nerves with bitter tea, and then? So what? We are mothers. Shall we allow gravity to defy us, our mothers-in-law confine us, cosmopolitan covers define us? Nah. We will sit on the ground and, like Gandhi, refuse to eat rice. Hummus shall be our thing, and if our friends call us fat, we shall flesh them. I say, flesh them. So what? We are mothers. Shall we allow mommy jeans to wear us? Certainly not. We will wear the living daylights out of mommy jeans and then exhibit our silver stripes on city walks while pushing strollers and rocking booty shorts. So what? We are mothers. Shall we then not feed our brood in public, all because it offends some, in order to amend none? Certainly not. We shall hoist those others out, squirt the life-giving curds into our babies' bellies until they coo. So what? We are mothers. Are we suddenly irrelevant because we revel in procreation? Do we revert to being the help while our men disappear into playstations? Certainly not. We will be the damn fairy lights up in this joint. We will shimmer, I say, shimmer. We will march down Maboneng precinct in glitter lipstick still. Flee into the night incognito. Tag, free the nipple on Mandela Bridge, and then run home to feed our youngins.